In the world of content creation, reaching that desired milestone of 1,000 subscribers often feels like a distant dream. Many of us embark on this journey fueled by passion and creativity, but the path to that magic number can be surprisingly lonely, even when we have countless friends cheering us on. Today, I want to share some thoughts about the reality of chasing that elusive 1,000 subscribers and why the support we expect from friends often falls short, like really short. Hey everyone! Welcome back to The Truth Is with Arlene, where we dive into real, honest conversations about the ups and downs of life. If you are a creator or pursuing a goal that feels out of reach, this video is for you. When we start a YouTube channel, we imagine a community rallying around our dreams. We envision friends and family eagerly subscribing, sharing our content like it's the latest viral sensation and cheering us on every step of the way. But reality can be quite different. Despite our best efforts, the support we hope for often doesn't materialize. Even our closest friends may not engage with our content as actively as we'd hope. This disparity can be disheartening, leading us to question our worth or the value of our work. But here's the truth. This struggle is not a reflection of your talent or potential. It is simply a part of the journey that many creators face. Building a loyal audience is not about the quantity of support, but the quality of the connections we foster. While it might sting when friends don't actively support our channels, it is essential to remember that a true engagement comes from those who genuinely connect with our content. Reaching 1,000 subscribers isn't just about hitting a numerical goal. It is about persevering through the doubts and challenges. Every subscriber represents a person who has found something meaningful in what you create. These are individuals who resonate with your message and appreciate the effort you put into your videos. They are your true audience, and their support is what truly matters. So, if you're feeling disheartened by the slow climb, remember this: your journey is a testament to your dedication and resilience. Every view, every comment, and every subscriber is a victory in its own right. The journey to 1,000 subscribers becomes a meaningful chapter in your story, making the moment you finally reach that milestone even more rewarding. So, keep creating with passion and authenticity. Embrace the journey and trust that your efforts will build the community you're striving for. The road may be long, but each step brings you closer to reaching that milestone. And in the end, it's not just about the number of subscribers, but the connections you've made and the impact you've had on those who chose to support you along the way. Remember, the journey to 1,000 subscribers, or any goal for that matter, isn't just about the numbers. It's about growth, persistence, and staying true to your passion. Even when the road gets tough, support may not always come from where we expect it, but the people who truly resonate with your message are out there, waiting to connect with you. Don't let the lack of support from others extinguish the fire within you. Keep creating, keep pushing, and trust that your hard work will pay off. We are not defined by how quickly we reach that milestone, but by the impact we make along the way. Thanks for tuning in. Until next time, stay focused, stay motivated, and keep believing in your vision. Thank you.